9021.
21, man.
What's your recruit's CAD number?
I got it.
13128. Be advised, he's unarmed, so just ride along, please.
Alright, North Capitol and P, under the bridge. Ammo has jumped out the back of the ambulance. We need some units. Also, we need an official. We've used pepper spray.
What's the address?
North Capitol Street in New York, under the bridge.
Can we get some news in the area code 1 under the bridge?
21 going.
Unit going?
19 going.
Copy 5019.
What's that 20?
Said he was under the
He up
bridge.
under the truck. Don't move, don't move, don't move.
What unit?
Alright, HRP4.
What's the city time? That's on it.
Hey, secure mines too.
At 925.
5039, what kind of address? 73 New York Avenue.
He said he was under the bridge.
He's gonna go truck.
He gonna go truck.
Drop it!
Drop it!
Drop!
What's the address of that bridge? Stop 1033. 1033, stop.
Stay down.
Yeah, unit 1033. 1033. We got all units responding. Location code 1.
What's the 20 on New York Avenue?
Under the bridge.
Under the bridge, under the bridge. 300 block.
We got a lethal use of force. We got to shut it. Call the ambulance.
Under the bridge, New York Avenue. Copy. 300 New York Avenue, Northeast, 1033. Under the bridge.
Hey, tell that ambulance, come over here. Tell the ambulance we need a board.
No copy. No time board, 926.
He came out, all I saw was that. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it.
I got
5010, no shots fired. No shots
I thought it was a
fired,
knife.
sir. Right now, he just come at him. Copy, come at him.
No, we have shots fired, Sarge. Use of force. Suspect came from up under the truck with the edge weapon. He's in close proximity, less than 21 feet. Had no other option but to use force. As I was retreating, he was advancing towards me and grabbed me.
Yeah, I copy, stand by, stand by.
Go get the board, have him come. Go get the board, have him come.
The official down there. Union rep.
I got 5010 on Wild Units, restrict the air, 927. Hello. Copy at 927. 927.
Oh. Jack, we need a better location.
under
Under the bridge.
All right, so Rutledge, North Capitol and the O, under the bridge. You're gonna have to probably go roll it through traffic. We need you as a witness.
Okay, when
We
you
need
say
you
under
as a
the bridge,
witness.
call exactly where you are. Florida Avenue, under the bridge.
We're on North Capitol Street. We are under the bridge. Right at North Capitol and O as an ocean. You saw it, right?
Capitol, and we're under the bridge, North Capitol and copy.
North Capitol and the O. Somebody had that board come down here ASAP, ASAP, ASAP.
Boarded them out, 928.
No, man, we have the board on the scene with us. They was transporting them. Have a unit get that ambulance unit, have them come down here ASAP. Don't touch nothing. Don't touch nothing.
Okay, 1510, your place is on the scene. Let me get a unit to clear out this traffic under the bridge on North Capitol. Also, do we have the board back in route dispatcher?
Alright, slow
Ambulance
everybody
come out.
down. Slow everybody
Now,
down.
slow everybody down.
Gunshots.
Be
Gunshots.
advised,
We have the board on the
we
scene.
have the board on the scene. We're going to need a FOP representative to come out here.
And we need a union rep. Call 80s.
Copy. Any
Call
units
EAP.
calls, no code 2, code 2.
That's already been established. Good. SOP rep is in route.
929.
Be advised, we are going to have the MPD shooting.
Serious security way.
Copy. We have an MPD shooting at 929.
500. Go ahead and also notify internal affairs.